Oh, person walking past. There's kind of trees in the way. I can see it flickering at the top, but I don't know if you can see it on the camera. I don't want to open my blinds because then everyone will see my face. You see it? I don't know if you can perhaps see that. Whoa! Got the perfect angle. Holy moly!
Holy moly.
It's the end of the world. I wonder who lives in the house. Actually, I think a girl who used to go to my school lives in there. Hello, Timbers. There's a really impressive lightning show going on outside.
Is there?
Yeah. Why are you not looking out your window, mate? Ziggy.
Shush, Ziggy. Okay.
Ziggy, shush.
Ziggy, you're gay and all. Jesus. Sorry.
Whoa! Did you see that?
No.
Oh, Ziggy, shush.
She does this all the time.
She just elongated
right
on the
up to
bed.
window. If it's during the day, then she can see, and then she goes. And she bites her lip. And goes, oof. Hey, Lynn.
Yeah.
I'm just going to point out, interesting fact. If you get struck by lightning, then your skin is hotter than the surface of the sun.
It causes severe burns and
Yes.
much
I'm
pain.
afraid it does quite a bit.
Ziggy says, what are we looking at? Whoa! That was awesome. Whoa, I just caught another one.
Whoa, I just caught another one.
Poor Rosie. Can you not sit on my sock, Rosie? Thank you. Okay, just be careful. Don't fall out the window.
Please, more lightning, please.
Ziggy!
Shush you.
Ziggy says I can't bother to get out. It's really raining.
Yeah, it is. But it's only one, so it isn't so loud. That's Sarah. What?
Didn't get it!
You're well gay, you are, Lightning. Can I kill you?
It's quite loud. It's probably like 2 miles away.
7.
Maybe
miles
3.
away. 3? Is that it?
Mm-hmm.
I wish it was on us.
Have you ever had a storm right above you? It's well loud. It's really scary.
There's a woman in it.
Did you see that? I didn't see the actual.
It looks like it's to the left. It is to the left, yeah.
Whoa.
That is getting close. It's moving from left to
That is nuts. My iPad's probably getting wet.
right. And there's my face,
Yeah.
which is so handsome. Hello.
Look at it, it's reflected in the window. You used to do that when you were a baby.
I know,
To mum's mirror.
because I was fabulous.
Okay, that's really gay. Whoa.
Yeah.
It's hailing.
I know. It's rocking.
It's the end of the world.
Watch it turn into some Darren Brown apocalypse stuff. There's a hurricane. This is our
Oh
backing.
my god.
Right, this is our backing audio. We need to make a song out of this while it lasts. Okay. You have to sing. Come on. That's not singing. What are you doing?
I don't think we're getting any more lightning, to be
Yeah.
honest. What? I just saw lightning.
You didn't.
I did, it was the faintest whisper.
Whisper. You don't hear lightning. You see it.
Lovely.
Oh,
Let's close the curtains behind us so that we can't see the reflection of ourselves.
Yeah. And someone could sneak up on us like Rosie.
She's just staring. She's like, what? I don't get it.
What's my plot in this?
Just looked at
Just that moment. I just saw she was like, okay.
Right, that's the end.